What is going on, guys? My name is Visuals. Welcome back to another video, guys. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be unboxing the Ducky 1-2 Mini. I've already taken it out of the box and everything else, but I put everything back in the box so I can unbox it for you guys. But I've been using it for about 2 or 3 days now, something like that. But shout out to my boy Jordan. He got this for me for my birthday. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, guys, so right here, we have the Ducky 1-2 Mini. This is going to be backwards for you guys. But so we're gonna take it out of this right now. We don't need that. But right here is the Ducky 1-2 Mini. So I'm gonna take this, open these up. Yeah. Right here, Ducky website. I'll show you the box. The side. Probably shouldn't have showed that, but 1-2 Mini. Red switches. But let's get this happen. Alright, guys, so of course all white. Of course we have the dust cover. You already know everything you get in the keyboard. Alright, here's the keyboard. I'll save this for last. Alright, in the box, this like I said, I already unboxed everything, but this would be in here. A Ducky keycap holder, you know. A manual. Nobody uses manuals, but you open this up right here. You got some extra keycaps right here, and then like a space bar for, like, you know, thing. I've already put mine on my keyboard. Like I said, I've been using it, but here's a space bar that comes on the keyboard. It's not gonna focus, but whatever. But that's everything that comes in the box. Let's get into the keyboard now. Alright, so the keyboard, it's in this little wrap right here. Oh, also, there's a cable for it that comes in a box, but mine's plugged in, so we don't need this. But here's the keyboard, guys. It is a beauty, I am telling you. See, this is the spacer I was telling you about. I already have some keys on here. Here's the back of the keyboard. It says Ducky 1-2 Mini right there. We have red switches. I'm going to show you guys the RGB now. So, the RGB on this keyboard's immaculate, dude. Like, immaculate, guys. I'm gonna turn off my ring light real quick. See. So this RGB, my webcam makes it like shit, but so how you change the colors is you F N O and then T changes everything. There's that. That's off, I'm pretty sure. Rainbow effect, yeah. Fade. Starlight, something like that. If you click it, it goes out. That's when you click the keys, you know. Yeah, same thing, just with my color that I've made. Kind of the same thing as that. And then static color, how you change that. I don't want to change my color, but FN, O, and then these buttons right here, they light up a color. Z, X, and C light up 3 different colors. You can like mess around with your static color with that. Unfortunately, only downfall of this keyboard is it doesn't have a software for it like my DK61 had. It has a software for it, but other than that, it's actually a really good keyboard. So I'll just do a type test with this. And this is red. Cherry makes red switches. And then I do a type test with my old keyboard so you can hear the difference. Acquired keyboard is actually better for my streams because, you know, loud noise sucks. But yeah, guys, that is the. Go ahead and turn my RGB back on. So that is Cherry MX Reds. I'm gonna compare it to my old keyboard, which is right here, guys. This has Gatoron blues in it, so yeah. But yeah, guys, so that is my Ducky, guys. Shout out to my boy Jordan again for the keyboard. But yeah, guys, so that's basically the end of the video. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video so much, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, guys, I like shit. Peace out.
And I'll go, it's not enough.